How to fix GCash app not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. A poor connection is one of the most common reasons why the GCash app fails to load or keeps crashing. Now, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and fully close the GCash app if it's already open. This forces the app to reset any temporary glitches it may be experiencing. Once closed, go ahead and reopen it to see if that fixes the issue. If the app still isn't working, the next step is to offload and reinstall it. To do that, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap General, then tap iPhone Storage. Find GCash in the list, tap it, and select Offload App. This removes the app while keeping all your personal data safe. Once the app has been offloaded, tap Reinstall App. This ensures you're running the latest version of GCash without losing any of your information. After reinstalling, open the app and check if it's working properly. Still having trouble? Head back to Settings, scroll to Apps, select Safari, tap Advanced, then Website Data. Tap Remove all website data and clear your website data. This can help resolve background loading issues if GCash uses any embedded web content. And that's it. After following these steps, the GCash app should be back up and running smoothly on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment if you've got questions, and don't forget to subscribe.